Hello everyone, today I'm making a neon dog. Now at the last task before I can make it. So yeah, posting. Oh my gosh, I'm actually okay. I'm actually so excited and Elsa wants to watch me do it. Okay, right. I can't invite you because you're jumping. Alright, I'm so excited. Alright, I invited you. Sorry, we can't go to school right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're gonna make a neon dog. And it's gonna be awesome. Alright. So I have tried an Aussie egg for a neon red otter because I love otters and I want to have a neon otter. Oh my gosh, everyone, the time has come. The time has come. Oh my gosh, is it full grown? Is it full grown? It's grown. We have to go into the neon cave right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, alright, we have to get out of here. Just ride me quickly. Alright, let's go. I'm so excited. As you know, guys, I don't think, as you know, I don't think you know, but someone traded me a neon dog for full grown dog. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I need to make a TikTok. Bevan 3-5, and then we're gonna control it. And we're gonna get out of here. I'm not gonna say. So yeah, I'm not gonna say ABC if you wanna watch me make a neon dog because I want I just want me and my sister to have some time with our children dogs, and I'm so excited, guys. Like I want to film a TikTok with it. I don't know. Full grown. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so 1, 2 full grown dogs. Where are the others? Okay, and then another 2 full grown dogs. Alright. Elsie, you're gonna have to watch on my screen. Alright, I need to make a TikTok like this. Like, guys, I'm gonna quickly get my tablet, make a TikTok about this, but I'm gonna play with my pet. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so excited and I'm nervous. Oh my goodness. Alright. We have our next full grown dog. Thank you, Elsie. Elsa just gave me a new paper chew toy. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Alright. Oh my god. I'm making a full grown dog. Not a full grown dog. I'm making a neon dog. The time has come. This is actually making my first neon, guys. By the way, I normally trade for neons. If you know, I have now 2 neon dogs and 2 neon otters because I traded an Aussie egg for a neon red otter and I traded like a red panda and stuff for the normal neon otter. Oh my gosh, guys, I am actually, you can hear this now, but I'm actually freaking out. In the next video, I will be actually making this. Elsa, you can't just give me all your pets. Don't. No. Oh my gosh, alright. Let's start this TikTok, guys. The last. Elsa! No, you didn't. Oh my gosh, thank you. That's so nice. And by the way, I'll be making a neon robin soon. Yeah, I need to catch up on that. Alright. So everyone, yeah, I'm about to make a TikTok. By the way, my TikTok account is like adultme_roblox. Stop it! I'll tell you my TikTok account. Adultme_roblox 808. So go check that out and I'll show you the TikTok of me making a neon dog. Also, it'll be on my YouTube channel.